Hey girl, what's up? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the Nappy Life here. It's been a minute since I uploaded, but all is well, and I hope you guys are doing well too. I know like there's been a lot going on in the world. I for sure thought the pandemic would be over with by now, but you know, trying to hang in there as best as I can. And I hope y'all are too. So in today's video, I am going to show you how I make my moisturizing hair spritz that I use on my hair about twice a week. It's been a while since I moisturized my hair and I definitely need to wash, but I don't have time to do that right now. So I'm going to go ahead and make my spritz, moisturize, show y'all how I do it, and I hope that you guys find this helpful as well. It's the only thing I've been using to moisturize my hair in between washing for a long time now, so it works for me. So let me tell you guys what you're gonna need first. Is a spray bottle I got from Amazon. I've run through so many Mr. bottles, but so far this seems to be the strongest. And I will post a link to the description in the description so you know where to get that. I'm gonna use some aloe vera juice, and all the writing is backwards because I am using my phone. It's the easiest thing to do. Rose water. This isn't my usual rose water. I got this at my local grocery store because I didn't have time to wait for it to come from Amazon, but I normally get it from Amazon. Maybe what I do is I'll put all of the ingredients together and just give you an Amazon link for you to go to click on and purchase if you need to purchase. And also some glycerin. This is a key ingredient, vegetable glycerin, because it really pulls the moisture from the air to help moisturize your hair. And I live in Florida and it's pretty humid down here, so this does me good. And of course some Msm powder. For those of you who have been watching my channel or watching my older videos, I posted a video where I talk about my hair loss and what I use to regrow it, and this has been my staple, is the Msm. So those are all the things that I'm going to use to moisturize. Oh, can't forget water. This is just filtered tap water. You can use distilled water, tap water, whatever you want, just water. So I'm going to show you guys how I put everything together into this nice luscious moisturizing spray that smells amazing, and then we're going to moisturize my hair. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so we started off by dissolving some Msm powder in our water. We're not going to use this whole thing. Add about 2 scoops to this amount of water, and then mix it up with a spoon or whatever you have available. Let me go get something to mix this. All right, so I got a plastic fork and I'm just going to mix it up to try to dissolve all the MSM, yeah. So mix that up to try to dissolve all the MSM. I don't think you're gonna get it all dissolved, and that's why I don't mix it in my spray bottle, because I don't want there to be like parts left over and it get clogged in the spray portion. I think that's honestly why I've run through so many spray Mr. bottles, because of that reason. Because there are some pretty big flakes in here. Probably can't see that. Yeah. So I'm gonna mix until that's dissolved or at least settled. And then I can pour from the top so that I don't get any big chunks in the water bottle. Settle and then pour it into my spray bottle. And I'm gonna only use like a little bit of the water because I don't really want a whole lot of the spray. I'm only gonna use it for a couple of days. Because I am putting like aloe vera juice and other ingredients in there, and there's no preservative, so I don't keep this for a long time since it's not preserved and I'm mixing all this stuff in there. All right, so we put about that much water, and then I'm gonna add some of this rose water. This isn't the usual rose water I normally get. This has rose oil in there as well, but has the same benefit, has the same smell. I only got this one because that's all that was available at the grocery store. Normally I order it from Amazon. And I only put a little bit in there for the fragrance, nothing else. There have been some talks in the Loc community about the benefits of rose water on your hair, but I don't know if I believe all that. For me, it's just like a hydrosol. It's just fragrance water. I guess whatever benefit rose has, maybe there's some of that in there, but I don't think so. All right, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of the aloe vera juice, like maybe like a tablespoon. And that's it, that's all. And then maybe like a teaspoon of glycerin. Don't want a whole bunch. And that is pretty much it. Super easy to make, takes less than 5 minutes. I'm just gonna shake that up. That's what it looks like. It smells good. It's very moisturizing because of the glycerin and the aloe vera juice. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize my hair. Okay, so before I moisturize my hair, I like to brush it to brush out the lint, whatever might be in there, because our locks pick up so much throughout the day. And I know a lot of the times I sleep without a hair tie on or a hair bonnet, which is not best practice at all. But out of laziness, I'm just tired. Sometimes I just fall asleep with a bonnet on, but that is not recommended. And that is probably why my hair is so dry right now. Oh, and I'm just using a boar bristle brush. Jesus. Just using a boar bristle brush. It's soft. Got at Walgreens for like $4. I got the mini one for when I go places. All right. Okay, so after you brush, then you're just gonna go in with your spray, and if you can see, it's like all dissolved in there. And just gently mist your hair. Your hair doesn't have to be drenched for you to get the benefits. Just mist your hair. Whew. It smells and that's it. That is how I moisturize my locks. Oh, let me go get my oil, because I'm gonna finish it with an oil to lock in the moisture and add a little shine. I'll be right back. All right, so after spritzing it with the spray mix, we're gonna go in and moisturize and oil our scalp. And the oil I'm using is, you can use any oil you want, but I'm trying to finish this. It's the Camille Rose Cocoa Nibs and Honey Ultimate Growth Serum. I don't put this on my scalp because it has coconut oil in it, which irritates my scalp, ridiculously irritates my scalp. So I don't use this, but I'm gonna put it on the shaft of my hair because it's fine, as long as it's not my scalp. My hair already feels really soft. Feels like a nice textured cloud. All right. And then put some in the back. I'm gonna go in with a different oil to oil my scalp. It's Jamaican black castor oil. I like to make sure I get my edges, because you know, we want to keep them nice and full. And I just drop it all over my scalp. Make sure I get the middle, of course, problem area. All right, so after I do that, I just moisturize it in or massage it in. All right, so that is it. We're all done for today. Quick and painless. That's all I do to moisturize my hair, and I do this about twice a week. And as you can see, my hair looks like it's shining. It feels pretty soft already. It's still a little damp, but I'm sure when it's dry, it's going to be super soft. This is the only product I use to moisturize my hair, and I get pretty much all the ingredients on Amazon if I can't find it locally. And I'll put a link in the description box to where you can find those products if you're interested in using it on your own hair or trying it out. Let me know what you like to moisturize your locks. And I think this is good for loose natural hair as well. So if you do decide to try this combination, let me know how it works for you. And if you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.